Tech giant Google has been ordered to pay over $400 million for improperly snooping on the data of smartphone users. The class action case covering millions of devices from 2016 to 2024. The National News Desk, Jeff Harris, joins us. So the jury in this case ultimately finding Google violated California privacy laws. Break down the details.
So the class action lawsuit accused Google of collecting data on nearly 100 million devices after certain privacy settings were turned off. Lawyers here arguing the tech giant then profited from that data without permission. This week, a federal jury ordering Google to pay over $425 million for invading users' privacy.
It's a violation of public trust.
The class action lawsuit, initially filed in 2020, accusing the tech giant of collecting data from 98 million devices that had turned off a tracking feature in their Google account. The years in question, 2016 to 2024.
Even though I've shut off all of the different apparatuses that would keep Google from monitoring me, they're still doing it because they were doing it through third-party apps.
The jury finding Google spied on users and was in violation of California privacy laws, but Google denied it was improperly accessing devices. A spokesperson saying this decision misunderstands how its products work and it plans to appeal. Our privacy tools give people control over their data, and when they turn off personalization, we honor that choice. The ruling coming down shortly after a federal judge sided with Google in the DOJ's monopoly case against the company. Google CEO commenting on the case while meeting with a group of the nation's top tech leaders at the White House Thursday.
It's a long process. I appreciate that your administration had a constructive dialogue and we were able to get it to some resolution.
And this lawsuit in California, not the first for Google. Earlier this year, the company settling with the state of Texas for nearly $1.4 billion after facing allegations of violating privacy laws.
They're going to have to work really hard to revamp their image in order to be able to gain back all of the clout in society that they had before.
Now, while at the White House on Thursday, Google leaders also announced plans to invest $250 billion in the U.S. over the next 2 years. Meta and Apple announcing investments there as well, $600 billion each through 2028. Reporting for the National News Desk, I'm Jeff Harris.